Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, July 16, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, July 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong July 16, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, July 16, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 6.5 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 150 million pesos for July 16, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, July 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.